Located in the heart of the special shipbuilding zone in Donghaemyeon, Gyeongsangnam-do, the precision machinery manufacturing company EK Heavy Industries, established in 2007, specializes in designing and manufacturing key equipment for ships and offshore plants, moving massive structures on the sea. From dock gates, sluices, and valves to structures and large hydraulic equipment, we provide essential solutions needed in shipyards and plant sites. The headquarters of EK Heavy Industries is located at 1236 Donghaemyeon, Goseonggun, Gyeongsangnam-do, with a site area of approximately 92,400 square meters. In other words, it is a large-scale factory complex covering over 27,000 pyong, equipped with facilities optimized for the production of large structures. This place has large boring machines, CNC machines, vertical lathes, planer mills, hydraulic presses, and other high-precision processing equipment installed. We can also handle complex curved structures and high-strength material processing in-house. Additionally, we operate a production system that meets domestic and international classification standards through ISO quality, certification, and non-destructive testing UT, RT, MT facilities. EK Heavy Industries' main customers include the three major domestic shipbuilders, Hyundai Heavy Industries, Samsung Heavy Industries, and Hanwha Ocean, as well as various offshore plant companies. The main products include dock gates, seawater intake valves, sluice systems, and large structures for plants. The ability to provide custom engineering according to customer design requirements is EK Heavy Industries' greatest competitive advantage. EK Heavy Industries has a total engineering system that can perform everything from design, processing, assembly, testing, to quality control all in one place. Recently, it has been expanding its business areas into LNG dual-fuel ships, seawater desalination plants, and hydrogen energy equipment development. The recovery of the shipbuilding industry, the expansion of eco-friendly vessels, and the resurgence of the global marine plant market EK Heavy Industries is preparing for a new leap at the center of these changes. We are EK Heavy Industries, a company that creates the future of the sea with technology and trust. We design the future of shipbuilding materials in South Korea